So welcome to my YouTube channel guys, and today in this particular video I will talk about affiliate marketing, and as well as I will talk about the myth is mostly people think that affiliate marketing can only be done on blogs or with landing pages. No, you can do affiliate marketing with videos as well. And purpose of to do affiliate marketing, your goal will be end up will be the ultimate goal is to get sales. Whether you can do this with blog articles, landing pages, or you can do with videos. If you are new on this channel, make sure to subscribe this channel, and I am really thankful to those people who subscribe my channel, because they give me motivation whenever they click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon, and as well as like the video. So this gives me actually motivation to make more videos for you. So you can see over here, you can join Digistore 24 for this. Simply you will go to the register now. You can join Amazon Associates as well. You know, Amazon is the world biggest platform, e-commerce platform, and they provide you actually affiliates as well. So you can join their affiliate program and you can promote Amazon products and you will get commission. But in Amazon, affiliates commissions are too low. But the good thing is Amazon is world biggest platform and they get a lot of sales, so that's why Amazon is popular. But if you talk about commissions, so you will get more commissions on Digistore 24. You can join ClickBank. So here you can see, if you become an affiliate for ClickBank, you can earn up to $150 per sale. But Amazon doesn't give this. But as I said that you can join any platform, any network which you like better. So you can use Envato as well. Envato is very biggest platform for affiliates, and you can join their program, and commission rate earn up to $120 for eligible annual subscribers and up to 60 for eligible monthly subscribers. Payout example, if you refer one annual subscription per day, you will earn 3,600 per month, right? So you can join their program Invento, or you can join Amazon, you can join Digistore 24, ClickBank, or any network which you like best. But these are the biggest affiliate networks which I am sharing in this video. So what you're gonna do in this method that I will explain in this video, that simply you need to have to create some accounts on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. But here we will see, here you can see this channel, the top 7 best dry cat foods of 2022. We tested them all. So this channel is giving a review. So make sure whenever you go for the review,
Hey everyone.
so you can see over here, this lady is giving the review of that particular product, and they are putting the affiliate links on their description. So you will require no landing page for this. You can apply and you can put your affiliate links on your description as well. But make sure whenever you put your affiliate description, so you will write this type of disclosure: some links are affiliate links to products we may receive a small commission or purchases made through these links. So this type of a simple thing you will apply on your channel, on your videos, and you can create reviews for your videos, and you will get amazing views and sales as well. So here, how you can do this, these all things I will discuss in this video. So it will clear your mind that how you can do affiliate marketing with videos as well, and without showing your face. This lady is showing her face, but you cannot, you will require no face camera or different things. I will show you each and everything in this video. So how you can do with your text and slides, and you can do this easily. But the thing is, you have to watch this video complete to understand the complete method. So guys, here we'll see another example that you can see top 5 best laptop 2022. So here you can see that in the description the person has put the a lot of affiliate links over here, and you can see they are getting a lot of traffic with this method. Simply you can create a slide for your videos, and then you will put the affiliate links in your description. That is so simple. And how you can create your account, that is super easy for YouTube. You can create account on TikTok. People are doing same on TikTok. They create videos. You not required to make your own videos. You can do with slide, and you can put a simple music in background and text as simply, and they put affiliate link in their videos. You can do this easily. How you can do this? This is the very simple formula. To go to the Pixels website, and you can search according to your videos, like for example, you are related dog foods. So for example, you have selected the niche of dog food, then click over here. So you will get multiple photos and videos on this platform. So whenever you use the copyright free photos and videos, don't put the single video or photos. You can create a combination. You can merge different videos together, and you can create a 5 minute 6 minute video on YouTube. Or if you have doesn't have time, you can make shorts video for your YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok. So you can get result easily, because the reels and the short video gets more viral, gets more views other than long videos. So here you can see, for example, we have selected dog food niche. You can click over here videos, and you can get multiple videos on Pixels, and you can merge it with your in your videos with slide, and then you can put the music and text over here. You can use Canva for this, or any free tool to make this type of slide, and put your affiliate link, so you will get millions and millions of traffic, right? So guys, here you can see if we have selected dog food videos, the videos 21.6K videos, free copyright videos on Pixels. And simply you can select videos. If you are using short video, you can select this type of video. If you have selected your channel as a long videos channel, you can select wide videos, and you will put it together and make amazing content and give value to other person, and give some solutions to other people. So basically all type of content are available on internet. I have shown you that you can do this with this Pixels website. 21.6K videos available. Simply download it, and you can make amazing video within 10 minutes.